Hey guys! In this video we are going to be checking out the best drone camera low prices. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Holy Stone HS110D. The Holy Stone HS110D makes our list of the best cheap drones because it's one of the few at this price that has a 1080p camera. While not up to the same level as a DJI drone, it does provide better video quality than other drones on this page, making it a good starter for aspiring videographers. Like many of the other cheap drones on this list, flight time is around 8 minutes, which is decent for a drone at this price. We also like that the company includes 2 batteries, so your downtime isn't too great. And this drone is pretty easy to fly, too. The camera isn't going to be winning you many photography awards, and there are more sturdy builds out there. But if you're just looking for a cheap drone to dabble in weekend flights, you can't go wrong with this price tag. Comfortably under the weight limit for registration, the Holy Stone also packs in plenty of useful features, like GPS, return to home, altitude hold, one key takeoff, landing, follow me, and more. The camera can tilt vertically in flight, and having a micro SD slot is really handy for recording high-quality footage, though you also have the option to record directly to the app for quick sharing. There's also electronic stabilization for the 4K footage. It's not cinema quality, but it does well. Number 2. DJI Tech Tello Ryze. If you're looking for a cheap drone to get started in the world of aerial photography, DJI and Ryze's collaboration on the Tello is the best place to start. The camera quality won't compete against some of the more expensive models, but the Ryze is primarily interested in getting you up and running with an easily controlled and safe copter. Rotor guards and stability sensors play a big role here, not only ensuring your drone is safe and secure but keeping your surroundings out of harm's way as well. This means you can safely get some indoors practice in before moving on to bigger shots outside. You might want to check the weather before you do head outside, though, as the Tello is a little unstable in windier conditions. Calmer weather, however, makes for an incredibly easy and fun flight experience, made all the simpler by a pared-down user interface on the accompanying app. The forward-facing camera means this is geared more towards selfie shots or smaller frames than big sweeping landscapes, though downward sensors maintain extra stability in the air and can allow the drone to hover steady as well. Those sensors can also be used for a neat little trick in which the Tello lands in your palm. Number 3. Holy Stone Hydrogen Sulfide D. The Holy Stone HS175D is an upgrade to the HS175, which we already liked, but the manufacturers have gone on to add brushless motors and a 4K sensor. We feel positively spoiled. It's clear from the design of the HS175D that Holy Stone has taken a few cues from the DJI Mavic Air 2, opens in new tab, which we feel is pretty reasonable. If you're going to crib, do it from the best. Comfortably under the weight limit for registration, the Holy Stone HS175D also packs in plenty of useful features, like GPS, return to home, altitude hold, one key takeoff, landing, follow me, and more. The camera can tilt vertically in flight, and having a micro SD slot is really handy for recording high-quality footage, though you also have the option to record directly to the app for quick sharing. There's also electronic stabilization for the 4K footage. It's not cinema quality, but it does well. Control can be done with the fold-out remote, powered by 2 AA batteries. It's easy to use, and while there's a little latency, it functions well if you stay comfortably within the 500 meters range. Number 4. PowerUp 4.0. The PowerUp 4.0 takes paper airplanes to the next level. This little kit attaches to an ordinary airplane, and thanks to a pair of propellers, lets you pilot the plane from your smartphone. The kit comes with 4 pieces of paper with an airplane pattern, but you can also download patterns for free from the company's website. The PowerUp can be controlled from the included controller, through the PowerUp app, or through hand gestures. Select this in the app. Then make a 2-finger victory sign at the camera and it counts down and takes a photo. Hold up an open hand with the fingers extended and it starts recording video. Do that again, and it stops recording. It's surprisingly effective. As we found in our PowerUp 4.0 review, there's a bit of a learning curve and you'll need a lot of space to fly the plane. But once you get the hang of it, you'll be surprised at how far it will go. All in all, this is an excellent cheap drone for the money. You might be losing out on some DJI-specific features like quick shots and long video transmission distances, but with a 4K camera at the helm and a range of extra flight modes, there's plenty to dig into here. Number 5. Droneeye 4DV4 Drone. If you're going to be handing the controls over to the kids, there are plenty of reasons to shop for a cheaper drone than some of the more feature-rich models. However, this snapped-in copter incorporates a number of ease of use and safety features into its design that makes it our top pick for little hands. Controls are simple and easy to pick up, and those protective guards will keep your copter safe in kids' hands as well. Plus, voice control functionality means kids can get in on the action even if they haven't quite mastered often fiddly smartphone controls. Headless mode also solves a big headache when it comes to teaching kids how to fly a drone. It alters controls to ensure that the drone is moving in relation to your own positioning. Windier conditions can give this model a little trouble, so we'd recommend checking out the weather before flying, especially considering there's little stabilization tech inside. However, with GPS and follow mode, a 90 meters range of video connection, and altitude hold features, you're still picking up a good set of basic features here. Footage is also captured directly onto an SD card, whereas cheap drones usually save direct to your smartphone. That makes for a better video quality overall. And if you're flying regularly, will save space on your phone as well. Thanks for watching the video.